In today's video, we will know which is the best platform for Forex trading. For this, we will look at XA or not. We will compare the available payment methods on the basis of leverage and bonuses so that you can choose the right broker as per your requirement. When we start, first of all, we will talk about the years of services, meaning how long has this broker been in the market. So here we go. If we look at it, it was started in 2008, gets 1+ point. Now let's talk about whether these platforms are Tier 1 or Tier 2 certified. If seen here, if all these platforms pass this criteria, then everyone gets 1+ point here. Now let's talk about payment methods. Here you get to see multiple options like card, bank, crypto, UPI on all platforms. That is why everyone gets 1+ point. Now let us know about the minimum deposit. If you see here, if you go to Annex, you get a minimum deposit of $5. In both, get 1+ point each. Now let's talk about the leverage. Here, on the basis of some conditions, you can get unlimited leverage in AK. In AK, you can get 1s to 1000. In Amarkets, it is 1s to 3000. And in IC Market, also you get to see the leverage of 1s to 1000. So here you can get the highest leverage in this one, hence it gets a + point. Now let's talk about Trustfiler reviews, where when people from all over the world come and give reviews, here we get a rating of XX5, 4.7, aka 2.3, Amarkets 4.8. And IC Markets also get a rating of 4.8, so here we get the highest ratings for Amarkets and IC Markets. So both of them get 1+ point each. Now let's talk about the last parameter, joining bonuses and offers. Here in Excel, we do not see any joining bonus or offer currently. In Excel, you get to see your first, you can get % bonus on deposit amount up to $500. And here you get to see the full range of offers and bonuses in Amarkets. Here you get double your deposit according to this offer if you deposit more than $100. You get to see this 100% bonus, which means if you deposit $100, you will get a total of $200 to trade. Their second offer is Trade Demo Earn Ryan. In this, you can use the profit made in your demo account for trading in the real account. And their third bonus is the Cashback program. In this, you can get cashback up to $70 per lot. And in IC Markets, you get a bonus of $30 on a deposit of $200. So here we get the best offers in Amarkets. So Amarket gets 1+ point here. If we talk about total points here, then Amarkets have got maximum points. So if you also want, then you can go with Amarket. I have given the account opening link in the description. And all the information given in this video has been taken from the websites of these platforms. You can cross-check by going here. So friends, I hope you have liked this information. And if you have liked this information, please like and share the video. Do it. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, because in the coming time, you are going to get similar information on the channel.